Hey you guys, I am making this video because I want to take time out to thank each and every one of my subscribers. I thank you guys so much. I am truly grateful. Now, I want to talk to you guys. For those who aren't subscribed, if you can please hit that like button and subscribe and share this video because I got some information I would like to share with you. Now, I want to show you guys step by step how to make my #1 top selling gift, and that's my balloon gift baskets. All right. Now, I want to tell you guys it don't cost that much to make, even though it looks like it costs a lot of money to make. If I tell you how much I actually spend on this, y'all probably won't believe me, so I'm going to leave it alone. But I am here to tell you it does not cost that much to make, including the items, everything inside of the, let me turn it around so you can see the full view. This is the back of it. Items in the back and also in the front. All right. Like I said, it does not cost that much to make. For example, the words on here, you don't need no Cricut machine. You don't need no Cricut machine at all. You can find words just like this from Dollar Tree. That's right, Dollar Tree. Them wall stickers, that's all that is. Boom, there you go. Don't even know. So you don't need no Cricut machine. You don't need no Silhouette. You don't need none of that. I got you. But all you got to do is just subscribe and hit that like button and share this video, you guys. Because once I reach 1,000 subscribers, then I'm going to give you all the details on everything. I got so many videos I want to share with you. And I've been debating. I've been holding it in. Like, man, what should I do? Should I charge? Nah, I'm going to give it to you for free. All you got to do is subscribe. That's it. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to tell you everything. How to create my #1 top selling gift basket. That's right, these balloon gifts. Now I'm going to show you how I do it. Even down to how I seal it. All right? I'm going to show you all of it. Like I said, all I need is you to subscribe and like. Oh, and also hit your bell so you can be notified of my other videos and share the videos. That's it. Free. All right? With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.